a college student, as a college student, how can I balance my life practicing Islam and succeeding academically? Also doing things that I love, such as writing, reading and watching stuff, etc. See, it is very simple. You are a college student. You are not like, dumb or idiot type of person. You are a serious student and you are going to a serious place for serious purpose. So stick to your purpose only. Why you have to spend your time for something which is not concerned to your purpose? And as a student, if this does not contradict your practicing. And a normal person also, if he or she is a student, then they should do only what the students are required to do. That's all. It does not make you practicing or non-practicing. But what we do is, we chat, we do haram things, we share, we do so many things which are not permissible, and then we are blaming ourselves, that is, I'm not a practicing, or I want to practice but I can't practice. No. And it doesn't even stop your academic education. Alhamdulillah, I came to Islam when I was 19, 20 years old. And then I got married at the age of 25. And I completed my graduation after my marriage. And I studied in the college. I was studying in the high school, I was studying in the college, and then I studied, and then after that I became a teacher in the mixed school, mixed environment. But I stick to my job. I stick to my, system. Even before Islam, I was in the mixed school, but I had nothing to do with, boyfriend and girlfriend system. I was, mashallah, I had, the girls were with me in the same class. We talk sometimes, we laugh sometimes, we chat with sometimes, but it is to a limit. It's not like dating, and it's not like touching, hugging, kissing and all those kind of things. And, oh, I miss you, you miss me, and then everything goes up. Like in Indian movies, they show that in the college you drop the handkerchief, and then when the handkerchief is dropped, when the boy is picking up the handkerchief, the eyes attract to the opposite sex and the story starts. That's not the reality in Islam. That's all rubbish. They are just, today the academic educations and the institutes have nothing but it became a place for the, entertainment and romance. Romance. It doesn't actually serve the purpose. And look, all those people who are studying, what are they achieving? How many of them are really achieving and those who are serious, yes, they come up with, they highlight. They are, distinguished from all the other students. They will be, a totally unique personality because they have achieved. They have achieved because they made the best use of their time, and they made the, they have done their purpose properly. So they were not involving in the things which are not concerned to their missions, alhamdulillah. So there is nothing like that, inshallah. Hopefully you will understand this, and you will be successful in your academic education, and at the same time you will be a good Muslim, inshallah. Nothing about it, alhamdulillah.